Hello everyone, my name is Diamante and I'm hospitality specialist working more than 12 years in hospitality business, and I'm here to serve you, to teach you something more about menu engineering and to give you basic combined things for you to improve your outlet profitability. So let's see what you are going to learn today in my course. In this course you will learn how to cost your menu, how to categorize your menu items, how to design attractive menu, and how to implement your menu in your outlets. So this course is for restaurant managers, bar managers, for sure also for bar supervisors and restaurant supervisors who wants to improve themselves, who wants to learn something new and to grow in their career. And I hope this course will help them.